are going to love the 2017 Golf Alltrack. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. The Volkswagen Golf Alltrack is a well-refined wagon that comes equipped with high-end features throughout. Advanced technology, fantastic handling, and powerful yet smooth engine make this the perfect choice. Come see the car for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.